I'm Bea. I represent Seriously today. We're the creators of Best Fiends Games. First of all, thanks Oleg and the team for putting so much effort into bringing this event alive. I know it's been massive amount of work. It always feels weird talking to an invisible audience, so I'm just gonna imagine that someone's there on the other side. Um, so this picture probably tells you how we like fun storytelling through the world we build and their characters. So every single character has a name, personality, and they have different superpowers. You can also come across me, so Bea or B, if you're playing stars and if you reach level 26. But yeah, let's get to it. So who are we and what do we do? There's actually not much information on our websites because it's an older website and we have a draft version ready of our latest websites. So I'm happy to tell you today more about us. So we were founded in 2013. And the reason Petri and Andrew founded the company was because they felt uh, that their ideas for new games were unique, but they also wanted to build up an environment which is open, tolerant, hardworking, and fun that involves a little like no politics, and then that we have thoughtful decisions. So one of our core values is doing the right thing. So that means that we're only focusing on the core stuff we're doing and then trying to minimize on the amount of meetings we have, for example. And hardworking doesn't mean that we're working overtime, because work-life balance is also super important to us. So in a way, doing the right thing and then focusing on keeping our work-life balance still super good. So the name Seriously Digital Entertainment, which is our longer name, means that we're doing entertainment, but we're also in a way doing it very seriously. So we're not super serious. We're kind of serious, but not really. So we're really into storytelling, and when we build our games, we always build the world first. In our case, it's minutia, and then we build the characters and game mechanics and so on. And here on the corner, you can see a baby slug. Don't let it fool you. These are our villains, and the slugs were created because Petri had a slug issue in his garden, and that's how the idea for the game was created. So today we are actually 111 people in Helsinki. So we have grown a little during the past year. We're 31 in Los Angeles. That's where our marketing team is located. Also user acquisition, but all game development is happening in Helsinki. And one of our culture secret sauce is made up for embracing different backgrounds and giving everyone the power to pursue their varied crafts and passions. Um, over a year ago, we were also acquired by Playtika, so we're nowadays part of Playtika, and Playtika was actually awarded yesterday as the 5th best high-tech employer in Israel. Playtika is headquartered in Israel. We're happy to be part of Playtika nowadays. What about our games? So both our games are in a way free to play, mobile, mastery, puzzle adventure games. And they have a little bit also RPG like character development in them. You can actually go and see our gameplay on our booth, and we also have a YouTube channel where there are a lot of different short films as well. So we publish Best Fiends, we call it BF1 also every now and then. So we published BF1 already in 2014. And today the game has over 100 million downloads and 5,000 levels. So it has an epic storyline, different puzzles, and you can collect and level up characters. And this is our this is a game we're super proud of, and it's still hitting the records. So we're putting massive effort into it, even though it's a slightly older game. And our latest game, Vespi and Stars, is turning 1 year old next month. It's a bit for a more casual audience. It has more explosive mechanics, and completing the levels takes slightly less time. Also, it has more social elements in it, so you can chat and team up with your friends, send each other gifts, have tournaments, and so on. On the background, you can see a small picture of us in Tokyo 2 years ago. We like to do something fun once a year, go abroad or travel somewhere. This year it hasn't been possible, unfortunately, but hopefully the situation will get better, and next year we'll have the chance to travel somewhere. So I mentioned that our values in a way are doing the right thing, but also work-life balance, and well, creativity. So we're constantly in a way looking out for the perfect balance between creativity and data. We're big fans of data and looking at the analytics. When I think about BF1 team, we publish 30 levels per week. So there's a lot of content going out, and a lot of analytics that we're super interested in from many point of view. One thing that I highly appreciate is transparency. So we have tried to build an environment where there's really no secrets. There's like any information you want to know, you have it. Do you want to know it? Like anyone has access to how much revenue we make per day, for example, and every information is shared within the company. So we're heavy users of the Slack channel, so that everyone are up to date on what's happening if they miss the daily stand-up or something like that. We're also quite successful. We're the 4th biggest gaming company in Finland when it comes to revenue. There are so many openings that are not yet live. So if you want, please send your open application to us, and we'll get back to you when we have the roles open that we're planning. So I actually published the game artist role in the morning, so it's already live. But there's also plenty of other roles coming up soon. So stay tuned. There's going to be me here, Anni, our VP of HR, and then Sami is going to join us for the event for a couple of hours. Thank you. Wow, I finished less than 10 minutes.
Thank you very much, Pia. Alexandra, I answered in a personal message, but if there are questions for Bea, I mean, we have 1 minute if you want to ask it, or you can ask those questions at the Seriously stand.
Yes.
Hold on a little bit, Bea. There was a delay with the previous presentation, like it takes a little bit of time for the questions to appear, but
oh, sure.
We can maybe take 1 or 2.
Yeah, and currently I'm probably easiest reachable via personal chat via this portal or then LinkedIn, if someone has any questions.
Yeah, but then when the vacancies for juniors will be open, we take 1 question.
Oh yeah, so junior data analyst, I'm hoping we can open it already during this week, so Thursday, Friday. Junior game artist also, that one I'm hoping we can open already during this week.
Thank you, Bea.
Thank
you.
Associate producer coming up next week.
Thank you very much, Bea. Fantastic.
Thanks. Bye.